Hi everyone, my name is Levi Sauerbrei, the founder and creator of Nerd Butler. After more than 2 decades of working in the IT industry with Fortune 100 companies, small businesses, nonprofits, and individuals, I've realized that we still have a long way to go to understand the technology that impacts our lives every day. All of us have smartphones, we have computers, we have smart televisions, connected devices, voice assistants, and all of these are supposed to make our lives easier, but too often people find themselves frustrated by a piece of technology that doesn't behave the way they thought it should, or that it just seems too complicated for them to use. Nerd Butler is here to help you do more with the technology you already have, to understand what technology you should be using, and to help you understand the headlines from the technology industry that impact your everyday life. What can you expect if you follow Nerd Butler? Well, you're going to see tips, tricks, tutorials, reviews and recommendations about gear and software you should use, and shortcuts to make your life easier, because technology is not a luxury. It's something that affects our lives every day, whether we're banking, shopping online, communicating with friends and family, or even just going out and using our phones to navigate to the place we're trying to get to. Technology is a fundamental piece of most of our lives every day, and the more you can understand about it, the better you're going to be able to use it. So follow along, check out the blog at nerdbutler.com, find us on social media at Nerd Butler, and we look forward to seeing you soon, because remember, technology is not a luxury. Put your technology to work for you instead of the other way around.